Hi Kimberly. How are you?
Hi, Daniel. I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. By the way, I was wondering, what's your favorite cuisine?
Oh, that's an easy one. I absolutely love Italian cuisine. The pasta, pizza, and gelato are just amazing.
I agree. Italian food is delicious. Do you have a favorite Italian dish?
Yes, definitely. Spaghetti carbonara, for example. The creamy sauce and crispy bacon are simply irresistible.
That sounds mouth-watering. I enjoy Italian food too, but my favorite cuisine is Mexican.
Mexican food is great. What's your favorite Mexican dish?
I love tacos. The combination of flavorful meat, fresh vegetables, and spicy salsa is a perfect mix for me.
Tacos are fantastic. I also enjoy trying different salsas and guacamole.
Absolutely. Have you ever tried making any Mexican dishes at home?
Yes, I've tried making homemade guacamole and salsa.
That's great. Maybe you can share your recipes with me sometime.
Sure, I'd be happy to. We can even have a Mexican food night at my place and try out some new recipes together.
That sounds like a fantastic idea.
I'm glad you think so. It'll be a lot of fun.